we have another travel vlog for you guys. This one's gonna be really exciting. I actually kind of just bumped into this one. We just finished Calm Day in Pokemon Go. If you guys don't already follow my other channel, which most of you guys probably do, this is gonna be Daylesford Organic Farm, and this is going to be in London, England. It's gonna be really fun. This place has really impressed me. I wasn't actually planning on doing this until I showed up, and so let's get after it. This place is not only just conscious, like check this out right here. So the only way to sustain our planet for the future is to protect and nurture its resources, which I'm totally about. Organic farms are regenerative, supportive, and sustainable. They work in harmony with nature, building fertility and restoring life to the earth's soil, which is super important. You guys hear me talk about that a lot, about the nutrient density in all of our food, capturing the carbon emissions that are harming the atmosphere and providing healthy habits for wildlife to flourish. So if that doesn't serve as what we're about here at Delicious and Nutritious, I don't know what does. Let's jump right in. One of the things that I always look for in places is what do they have involved in their restaurants that shows that they're not just about money and the organic label. And this place has much more than that. As you can see, they have a ton of stuff here. They have environmentally friendly cooking ware, which is quite crazy. And more of recently, I've heard that there has been lead as well as other contaminants in stainless steel as well as other glass and everything in our home. So I really want you guys to be a lot more conscious of that. We have eco-friendly cookware here. We have eco-friendly napkins, the plates. So everything here is staying to the next level. And then another thing that I always look at, it sounds crazy, is the bathroom soap. When I'm in the bathroom, I want to check out, do they use a standard soap or are they using something that is more conscious? And here they're using more conscious. So Daylesford is hitting a home run for me. I can't wait to jump into this food and try it out. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna jump into the food real quick, but I just wanna go over their menu as we always do. This menu was a little bit challenging to find, so if you guys do wanna see, this place has truly impressed me with all of their organic, their free range, everything in there. All their supplements are homemade and organic. It is truly something that is very rare. Like, it is not super common, right? So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you ever have the chance to come out here, the ambiance in this place is amazing. It's modern, it's like, everything in there is pretty much organic. So if we're checking out the breakfast, we have free range organic eggs, which is a positive. We talk about free range eggs, right? And they do grow all of this stuff in organic. They're all about the entire philosophy of why you do organic, which is amazing. All of the eggs look amazing here. We have the Eggs Benedict, the maple pecan overnight oats, which is something I want to try while I'm out here. And then we can go all the way, you know, we have avocado and poached eggs, scrambled eggs, bacon sourdough sandwich. All sounds truly amazing. If you are gluten-free, this is probably not the place for you, right? I'm pretty conscious gluten-free. I do break it on occasion, and today is going to be one of those breaks because it's organic sourdough. So sourdough is usually fermented, so a lot of the gluten is out of it. And if we check out from the lunch, we have the pizza heritage tomato, which is gonna be mozzarella, pumpkin seeds, and kale pesto. Pretty good and conscious right there. Milano salami, pumpkin seeds, and kale pesto. Ham mozzarella, heritage tomato, and chestnut mushroom, which is what we're gonna dive into here. Then we have the 4 cheese. Then we have grass-fed and rare and native burger, which I'm a big fan of anything that you have grass-fed meat. It's so much healthier for you. You have no idea. All the studies out there that we talk about, they're not even using quality meat. So it's not really a fair comparison like, oh, is it good or is it not? And then we have toasties, we have soup, and then we got some hot bowls over here. Lamb casserole. I heard the chicken tangine and the red Thai chicken, which we might have to come back for that with some lemongrass. Our slam dunk hits, the lady in there that's serving also really loved the beef meatballs, which is what we have right here. And we have spinach paneer curry as well as lamb masaman curry as well. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm excited about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is our first international travel vlog. We had some from back in the day when we were in Tokyo, so I might re-release those just if those restaurants are still open, but let's jump right in. Okay, so here we go. You know, for me, it's all about those next level touches. It's about taking it, not even just organic, just because of the, you know, impact and for the selling point, it's also for the actual consciousness of this. So we have, please recycle on the napkins, organic is forever, organic is significantly better for your health, the land, our animals, and tastes better too. Daylesford.com/eat to be healthy. So we're gonna jump into the meatballs on number one. We're gonna try these out. I'm super excited. I've actually been thinking about meatballs, to be honest with you. So this is gonna be meatballs. It comes with wild rice that's organic. And look at this, even the fork is made of a sustainable resource. So we're not using plastic here. Wow, that's really good. And I know you guys may think like it's kind of small, but this is like a heavy meal right here. Like that is heavy. That's probably like Whole Foods, pay by the pound, that's like $15 for sure. It's pretty actually reasonably placed. Obviously it's in, I wanna say pounds, but I keep hearing everybody call it quib. So I don't know if I'm just a little bit ignorant to that fact, but then we're gonna bust into the pizza as well. So the meatballs, really tasty, very good. Grass-fed meat, how much better does it get? There's rice and quinoa and ancient grains on the bottom, which really hits it home. The sauce is good, everything is really tasty about that. I seriously think I have to come back to try some of this and check out this next spot. All right, that's how you fold a New York piece of pizza right here. There's not very many places that make sourdough crust, which is gonna be, if you truly make sourdough crust how it's supposed to be made, the gluten is virtually fermented out of the wheat, right? So it leaves it as a gluten-free wheat, because gluten and gliadin's more of a modified version of gluten that's a little bit more harmful and inflammatory for us, is totally taken out. So then you can eat just the grain without the inflammatory process that bothers most people. Now, if you're strictly celiac and it's something that really bothers your system, I'll probably say to stay away from, but truly fermented sourdough really does get out the gluten, okay? So for people like me that choose to be, the pizza's really good. Not really indulge in too much of that, you know, that's a thing, but the crust is a little thin, but I really like this type of pizza. Like if I make my own pizza, this is what it's gonna look like. I really enjoy it. Let's try it again. I love pizza. I'm just gonna be really honest with you guys. So this round about 20 pounds quib, whatever the currency name is out here. So totally worth it. Conversion rate is about 1.3, so maybe I spent like $27 on this for organic, high quality. Like I said, it looks like it's a small bowl right there, but it's extremely dense and heavy, right? You wanna see me drop this? Like, that's no joke. So, Daylesford Organic is definitely a place I would recommend. I'm gonna pin it in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the ambiance of this place. It's fantastic, the food tastes amazing. The consciousness of this place is absolutely fantastic. And it's definitely a place that I would recommend that you guys come check out whenever you're in London. And beyond that, over in the background, really, really cool, tons of restaurants. Marylebone, I think it's spelled like Mary, M-A-R-Y-L-E-B-O-N-E, but they pronounce it as Marylebone. And this is a great area, so definitely come into this area, explore some restaurants, but you have to come in here, support local organic. And remember, it's not always about just like buying the food. Your dollars are votes for what you want more of in the world. So if you're voting for more organic, that's gonna be where your consumer power goes towards, and that makes a difference in everything, and it's tasty as well. So this is definitely hitting it. It's a pretty good price. It's tasty, it's gonna be filling. I can see that for sure. I'm gonna have leftovers, which was one of my goals. And we found a little diamond in a rough out here, which is really cool. So London, England. I hope you guys get a chance to be out here. So thank you guys for being with me as always and exploring. Hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the ambiance, and I hope you guys get to make it out here one day. I'll see you guys out on the next vlog.